Okay, we now move on to speaking part 2, and your topic is describe an item on which you spent more than expected. Please.
Well, I had a professional experience related to planning, so I am very habitual to plan everything on a monthly basis for my home. And most of the time, I end up by spending more than expected. There are multiple items which can be discussed here, but I prefer to discuss about the recent item which I bought. That is the PlayStation. That is manufactured by a company named as Sony. It's black in color, and I bought it for my son's birthday on his seventh birthday. Most of his cousins already had that amazing playing gadget, so it was his dream to have that. So I planned that surprise gift for him. So I recently I bought it from him, and
Okay, thank you very much.
yeah.
Listen, the first thing is fluency, second is relevance of your answer. You have spoken a lot about the topic, but you did not come to the point which you spent more than expected. You did not talk about money. You talked about the gift you bought. So this is how your answer goes off the topic. You should have said, I spent a lot of money. It was over budget for me. It
I'm
cost
coming
me
to
a
that
no.
point.
I mean, when you
Yeah.
are coming, then time is over.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how your answer can go off the topic. So whatever the topic is, start from there, then elaborate your point.
Okay.
Never start indirectly that you are coming to the point. Examiner will not give you the time to come to the point, then what will you do? Okay.
Okay.
Let's go on. Speaking part 3. Do you often buy more than your expectations?
Yes, most of the time I spend I bought I spend more money than expected, because due to the recent fluctuation in our country, the fluctuation in prices in our country, we have to spend more money than the budgeted one. For example, on our basic requirement, we have to spend more money on them. So yes, in current circumstances, we have to spend more
Okay,
money.
listen, when the question is asked, do you often buy? Try to answer with I, not we. If the
Okay.
question is, do we often buy more than we expect, then you can use we. And if the question is with do they, then answer with they. But when they say do you, always answer with I.
Okay.
Okay, that is important, right?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.